In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V not working on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and then you have to click on Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on System. Then you have to scroll down and you look for Troubleshoot. Click on that. Click on Other Troubleshooters. So here, once you find keyboard with the run button corresponding to it, so once you find keyboard with the run button corresponding to it, run the keyboard troubleshooter and then follow the on-screen instructions that will help you detect and spot the issue and then also give you suggestions and recommendations to fix the issue. So run the keyboard troubleshooter. After doing so, right-click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more tutorials for you. Next method is you have to right click at the start button and then you have to select device manager. Once device manager window is open, locate keyboards, expand the list. So right click on your keyboard driver, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and simply choose the driver from here. You can choose one by one if you have more than one available driver and then click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers, then you have to click on the yes button to restart your Windows. Then go back to the same device manager window for the next method. Locate keyboards and then right click on your keyboard driver, select uninstall device and click on the uninstall button. After uninstalling it, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. After restarting, that will reinstall the driver into your Windows. Then for the next method, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Now, I will be pasting this command. Do not worry, this will be posted in the description section of this video. Hit Enter. Then type Exit. Hit Enter. Then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.